Business planning is the capstone course for business, so it involves almost all the majors we have in the department. Its focus is in developing critical thinking, research, analysis, and a lot of team skills, be it project management or working together in a group, things that will translate well to a professional setting.
You basically, by the end of it, you're in a group, you have a product or a business, and you're pitching it to professionals. And at the very first class, you have an assignment to pick an idea. You have to come up with an idea and you have to pitch it for the next class. And then by the second class, groups are picked, inventions are chosen, and then you make a business plan for that entire invention.
When you're presenting to local professionals, it gives you a perspective of, I don't know these people, and they are locally successful people, and I want to show them what I'm capable of. Most of the professors that I had built strong relationships with who are still at Salve, I still have those same relationships, and is why I feel such a desire to come back and be a resource, and especially pertaining to the business planning program, when I started to now is rather extraordinary.
Essentially, we were gathered into teams and we came up with a business plan, and we had to take the reins of making step-by-step ways to build that business plan, whether it was researching or market analysis or the budgeting, really hands-on experience. It was really fun.
One of the top things that I like to encourage is build yourself a network now, so that when you graduate, you have a group of people either in your profession or aware of the profession you're pursuing. You have a personal connection with someone who can help you open opportunities that you might not otherwise have.
Seahawk Tank become a highlight of the academic year. We'll take the top 2, sometimes 3 BP teams from the fall semester and the spring semester, and they will compete pitch contest format at Innovate Newport downtown for cash prizes.
You can land a job from these kinds of events. You can get an internship, or you can make really cool connections that at some point will serve as a touch point in the future. It's very unique and it's very rewarding.